Repacked Wax, first edition, 36 count wax pack box. This will be video 2 of 2. We're going to open up packs 3 and 4. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled in the first 2 packs. We pulled some great cards. Actually got a serially numbered card in one of the packs. Was really happy about that. Let's take a look at packs 3 and 4. Again, 15 card packs. Let's go ahead and take a look at pack number 3. There's our sticker slash spacer, which I appreciate. Keeps the wax off the cards themselves. Start out with 70 years of Topps. What is this going to be? 2021? Yes, 2021 Topps Series 1 card of Jesse Winker. Nice. 78 Topps of Tony Muser. Loving the 78 Topps. That was the rookie year of my GOAT, Alan Trammell. Donruss 82 of Jay Johnstone. Very cool. Donruss 86 of Ivan DeJesus. 1991 Upper Deck, the Collector's Choice painting card. I believe this is of Harold Reynolds. And I'm right. Nice. Very cool. Love those painting cards. Throw that up there. Topps Chrome of Matt Chapman. That's a beautiful card. That's going to be a 2023 Topps Chrome card. Absolutely gorgeous. 85, I believe. Yes, 85 Topps of Bert Roberge. Very cool on that. 1989 Upper Deck of Wally Backman. Very cool. Allen and Ginter of J.P. Samardziza. Well, that's a rough name to say. I'm sorry. My bad. Gypsy Queen. So 2020 Gypsy Queen of Jeff Samardziza. Card number 275 in a series of 320. That's a cool card. Oh, picked up another 1987 Topps Tiffany card. In this case, it's of Jim Slayton. You can tell it's a Tiffany card as it's glossy on front with a white cardstock on back. Awesome on that Tiffany card. That's the second one we pulled today. Pinnacle card of, I believe this is Cale Eldred. Yes, and that's going to be a 1998 Pinnacle. It's going to be a score product. 84 Topps of Kevin Hickey. I believe this is 81. Yes, 81 Fleer of Jim Gantner. 86 Topps of Terry Kennedy. And finally, 1990 Upper Deck of Joey Cora. Not bad. So not bad in that pack. Got some great cards. Got 91 Upper Deck Collector's Choice painting card of Harold Reynolds. Vernon Wells did a phenomenal job on that painting. And a 78 Topps card of Tony Muser. We'll take it. Let's take a look at pack number 4. Pack number 4, we've got our spacer slash stickers. Is that going to be a 77 Topps? It is. 1977 Topps. 1976 Record Breaker card. Most hits in a season as a pinch hitter. Jose Morales. Card looks like it's a little diagonal cut there, not straight cut, but very cool nonetheless. 1980, I believe, yes. 1980 Topps of Chet Lemon. Very cool on the Chet Lemon. Donruss 87 of Cliff Speck. 86, I believe. 85. 85 Fleer of Jim Clancy. 1983 Topps of Bob Stanley. Pacific Collection, 1997, it looks like, of Rex Hudler. Yeah, very cool card there. 1992 Upper Deck of Rick Sutcliffe. Leaf 96 Studio of Rico Brogna. Beautiful card there. That's a Donruss product. 92 Fleer Ultra of Paul Molitor. Let's go ahead and throw that up there because the back should have his rookie card, which he shares with my goat, Alan Trammell. We'll look at that in a minute. 89 Fleer of Will the Thrill. Very nice on that. Fleer 91 of Billy Ripken. 85 Tops of Mike Witt. Score 92 of Lance Blankenship. 1991 Upper Deck of Kenny Williams. And finally 82 Tops of Tom Herr. Beautiful card there. All right, not bad. We picked up 89 Fleer of Will Clark. Looks stunned. Will the Thrill. And 92 Fleer Ultra of Paul Molitor. Okay, so this one does not show his rookie card on the back, but his rookie card he shared with my goat, Alan Trammell. 1978 Topps card, rookie shortstops. Card number 707. It also had Mickey Klutz and UL Washington on the card. All right, folks, there you have it. Packs 3 and 4. Repacked wax. Mystery box. Video 2 of 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.